Pardon? Hello? Hello? Are you able to listen to me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? That's good. Okay, so yesterday we were having our model auxiliary verbs, right? And today I have given you some homework. Have you done this? Yes, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
That's really good. So Raza, can you please speak up about the homework? Yes, Raza, can you please speak up?
Okay, sir. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I was Ashok. I'm 21. I'm a student. Today I'm talking about can paragraph. If I go to the bed early at night, so I can feel fresh in the morning. I can wake up early in the morning and I can make tea. I can make breakfast, but not daily. My brother asked me, "Can I use your phone?" I refused. Still, he can take my phone. Can I use your bike? Of course. But can you ride fast? No, I can't ride fast. We can play. We can play with friends and enjoy a lot, but they can't play daily. Thank you.
Yes,
Done, sir.
done. Only this much. So short.
So 15 minutes बोले था ना सर आपने.
Only. I was expecting more. Okay. Next one. Who's the next to comes to speak over here? Miss Supriya.
Sir, I can write a conversation.
Conversation. What sort of? Yes. Hello.
For the client and customer.
Okay. Can you please just have it yourself?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Good evening,
Ma'am.
sir. Good evening, sir. How can I help you? Please, could you show some latest laptops? Yes, I could. See, it's new Dell XPS 15. Can you please explain its features? Sorry, ma'am. I couldn't know exactly. Just a second. Our expert will guide you. Those first, we can talk about the specification of this machine. This is very lightweighted. You could handle it easily. It can use by many professionals. I open this, could you show something else? I could find something else which this laptop couldn't have. Thank you.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. But it is quite short. I wanted a little bit longer. It was really good.
Hello. सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
सर वॉइस बिल्कुल नहीं आ रही है.
सर का प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. Hello.
Yes, yes. Can you please start now?
सर आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
यस सर.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, please. Who's the next?
आई सर.
Yeah. Ajay. Can you please read?
हाय गुड इवनिंग. I am Ayush Srivastav, and today I want to share with some conversation with my friends. So let's start. My friend Sumit come to my house. Then he says, "Can I smoke here?" Then I said, "No, you couldn't smoke here, but you could smoke on the balcony." Then after some time, he says, "Can I use the telephone?" Then I said, "No, you couldn't use this telephone because it's dead, but you can use my mobile phone."
Good
After
one.
that, he says, "Can you jump on this balcony because my phone dropped?" Then I said, "Yes, yes, I could, but I couldn't because I can use Lyft or Apple Tears." Thank you.
Good one. Good. But it's bit. Uh, you people are giving very short one. I would just wanted it a little bit longer, more longer. Okay, but still it is good. I like it. Good one. Good.
Thank
Good.
you, sir.
Next one. Next. Who's the next?
So, ma'am,
Yes, madam.
good evening, good evening, all of you.
Good evening,
Um,
everyone. We can select
good
this.
evening, good evening, everyone. I'm Mehak Khan. Okay, so I can make a coffee in morning. I can make tea also, and I can make pizza, but I can't make pizza bread. I can make yeah, I can make pasta. And can you cook pizza? Yes, I can cook pizza. Okay, thank you.
Done.
Yes, sir.
I guess अली टेप स्ट्रिप्स के अंदर का कॉपी मारा क्या आपने? Yes. ऐसा लग रहा है वो.
Little bit.
Yeah. थोड़ा सा वहाँ से कॉपी मारा हुआ, but still. Okay. Hope for the best. Next one. Who's the next? Yes, ma'am. Please.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sana Panjabi. I'm 23. I can travel in car, but I can't travel in bus. Sometimes I can eat food at road, but I can't eat in car or bus. I can play music in car, but I can't play loud. I could decide now I go outside, but I could not travel because of lockdown. Inshallah, soon I could uh, plan and go outside
Abroad.
abroad.
Good one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Good. 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 It is shorter, but it is awesome. I like it. But just make it longer. Okay, a little bit longer more. Yes. Next one, please.
Thank
Who's the
you.
next? Good. Who's the next?
Sir.
Aisha, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aisha Steve. I would like to tell conversation between two friends. Hello, Anna. Oh, hello, Andre. Can we play together? Yes, we can. No, I can good on playing tennis and basketball. Oh, really? I could run pretty fast, but I can't jump too high. Can you play soccer? No, I can't
Soccer.
play
Very
soccer
good.
well
Very
because
good.
I'm
Soccer.
not good soccer. Uh, but no, because I'm not good kicking the ball. Could you sing well? No, I can't sing well at all. Can you play video game? Yes, I can video games. Um, okay, we can finish today. We can meet tomorrow on time.
Can we
Okay,
meet
yes.
tomorrow?
Can we meet tomorrow? Yes, we can. Okay, bye. See you, Nora.
Good one. Good one. Such a great
Thank you.
conversation. Very good, ma'am. Very good. I like it. Did you make it or did you just copy it from somewhere?
No, sir. I'll make it.
Oh, very good. Very good. I really like it. Amazing. Amazing, ma'am. Good.
Thanks.
Okay. Next one. Who is remaining? I believe everyone has spoken over here. Mike spoken, Miss Supriya spoken, Mr. Jay spoken, Rajja spoken, Sana ma'am spoken, Aisha ma'am spoken, everyone spoken here, right? And see the others. Others are absent. Hope for the best. जाने दो. खैर अभी उन लोगों को केयर नहीं कर सकते अभी अपन क्या बोलेंगे उन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है that what exactly are we learning over here and these people are absent. Shame. Big shame. Okay, by the way, let's go for the next one. Last time we have finished here, can and could. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
Next one, today's new is what? May. Now, when do we use may in English? When do we use may in English? Next model auxiliary for today is what? May. By the way, I'm really happy for all of you, and you people are really doing really great. I really like it. Some of the students are there, they are just a little bit nervous and lacking confidence, and they're not making that exact up to the mark. But still, some people have made really awesome. I really liked it. I listened to them, and it was really awesome. I really liked it. But just please try to practice more and more so that you can have amazingly. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Keep up. Next one, please. It's what today we are going to have another model auxiliary verb, and that's what may. Now, when do we use may in English? What are the moods of may? Can you please tell me?
Permission.
Very nice. We can use for permission. Since our
Request
childhood,
mode.
we've been saying, yeah,
Request.
request. Okay, for request. For example, how?
May I come in?
That's permission. Request is what? Permission. Same. Good
Okay.
one. Good one. Yes. Anyone else? What else? What are the moods of? What are the moods of May? Please tell me. What are the moods of May? You people tell me. Faster. Jaldi jaldi. Yes. एक तो है permission. और when do we use may in English? Possibility के लिए use होता है.
Possibility.
Correct. She's right. Possibility. Possibility के लिए भी use होता है may. We use may for two moods. That's what? Possibility and permission. Possibility and permission. Only two
Permission.
moods are there for may, and that's what? Possibility and permission. Just let's have a look here in modal auxiliary verbs. May. When do we use may? We use may. The moods of may in English is what? We have two modes, and that's what? Possibility and permission. See, possibility and permission. That's it. For possibility, we are using may. For permission, we are also using may. Any doubts to anyone?
No,
None
sir.
else you will find there. We are using may. और कहीं पे use नहीं करते may. We are using may only for possibility and permission. Now we already know that we exactly use we for possibility and permission exactly. For example, possibility and permission. I'm going to give you some examples over here so that you can understand it well. That how are we going to use it in our conversation and in our English as well. Okay, so may हम लोग use करते हैं permission के लिए, possibility के लिए. So let me just show you first here with the sentences with possibility. Possibility means what? मुमकानियत. मतलब यानी शक्यता, ऐसा हो सकता है. For example,
संभावना.
correct, संभावना. It may rain today. आज बारिश हो सकता है. So what I'm using here, Miss Supriya? May. I'm using here what? May. दिख रहा है आप लोगों को? I'm using here what? May in the sentences of possibility. Next one. For example, she may join next week. वो next week join करेगी. Miss Mahek, क्या use कर रहा हूँ मैं? She may. For what? For what? Possibility.
Possibilities.
Possibility बताने के लिए I'm using there may. She may join next week. वो next week join कर सकती हैं. It may rain today. आज बारिश हो सकती है. For example, Ramesh is absent. लगा सकते ना. आज अपन नया टॉपिक सीख रहे ना. See, मैंने क्या बोला? When do we use can?
Permission, possibility.
Correct. हम लोग करेक्ट. एबिलिटी, पॉसिबिलिटी एंड परमिशन.
Ability.
मैंने आप लोग को पहले ही सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग में आप लोग को मैंने एक चीज बोला रहेगा. इंग्लिश इज अ वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज.
Yes.
मैंने आप लोग को एक बात बोला रहेगा. इंग्लिश इज अ वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज. मैं आप लोग को दिखा देता हूँ, चाहिए तो दिखा देता हूँ. आप लोग को शायद याद आएगा वो चीज मैंने क्या बोला था. याद आ रहा है कुछ? ये 4 सेंटेंस देखकर
Yes, sir.
क्या याद आया है यहाँ पर?
ये चारों का भी मीनिंग एक जैसा ही है.
करेक्ट. चारों का मीनिंग एक जैसे. कैन आई कम इन? अंदर आऊं क्या मैं? कुड आई कम इन? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? मे आई कम इन? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? माइट आई कम इन? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? मीन्स व्हाट? इंग्लिश इज अ वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज दैट यू कैन जस्ट मेक एनी सेंटेंस. अरे कब का लेक्चर मालूम आपको? ये लेक्चर है अरे फर्स्ट डे पे बताया था मैंने आप लोग को, ये डे 1 पे दिख रहा है आप लोगों को। तो मतलब मैंने क्या था कि डे 1 पे मैंने आप लोग को ये बताया था कि इंग्लिश कितना इजी लैंग्वेज है। इंग्लिश इज सच एन इजी लैंग्वेज दैट यू कैन मेक एनी सेंटेंस। अल्टरनेटिव्स बहुत है इंग्लिश के अंदर। अगर आपको ये नहीं बोलना है तो ये बोल सकते, ये नहीं बोलना है तो ये बोल सकते, ये नहीं तो ये बोल सकते। मीन्स व्हाट, कैन यूज देयर एनी सेंटेंस। यस एंड नो। सो
Yes, sir.
अल्टीमेटली वी आर यूजिंग multiple alternatives in English. Now, for example, Ramiz is absent right now, correct? तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ Ramiz may come tomorrow. कल रमीज भाई आ सकते हैं। So अपन क्या बोलेंगे? रमीज कल आ सकता है means what? Ramiz may come tomorrow. For what are we using here? Possibility. Possibility की हम
Sir,
लोग यूज कर रहे हैं. Yes.
सर ये बोल सकते हैं क्या इंडिया में विन द मैच?
Correct. Now listen, pay attention. ये भी हमारा possibility है. For example, India may win the match. India match जीत सकता है. What is this? Possibility. Yes or no? India may
Yes,
win
sir.
the match. India may win the match. Next one. Now for permission also we are using there. What? For permission also we are using may. For example, permission. For example, simple. May I come in? बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं. Sorry. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay. है तो मेरे पास में भी है ऐसे एडिशन वगैरह बच्चे लोग के. Okay. By the way, so permission के लिए भी हम लोग यूज करते हैं may. Yes or no? May I come in?
Yes, sir.
May I come in? Next one. For example, may I leave? क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ यहाँ से अभी? May I leave? क्या मैं जाऊँ का? है कि नहीं? May I leave? क्या मैं जा सकता हूँ? So for permission also I'm using there may. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? For example, may you introduce yourself? May you introduce yourself? So may you introduce yourself means what? I'm asking someone the permission. May you leave here? May you turn on the fan? May you go there? So for permission also we can use their may. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we are using here may for possibility and permission. Is that clear? Same case. Now please
Yes, sir.
listen to me carefully. What's the difference between can and could?
Sir, could use for past, present, and future, and
And
can
can?
use can present and future.
Correct. Point number 1. Point number 2. Can and could both are the
Same.
Could is
Same.
correct. And could is
more powerful than can.
correct. Could is more polite than can. Could is more powerful than can. So it is what can यहाँ पर है तो could यहाँ पर है. अभी ये जो था, if you see here यहाँ पे this is what can. उससे अच्छा क्या है?
Good.
Could.
Good. और could से भी अच्छा कौन है?
May.
May. समझा? तो may
Yes,
जो है
sir.
वो सबसे टॉप लेवल पे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक तो होता है मिस महक तू. दूसरा उससे अच्छा क्या होता है?
Tum.
तुम.
Tum.
और उससे अच्छा क्या होता है?
तुम्हारा.
आप. हमारा भी हमारा नहीं. आप. है कि नहीं? सो एक का असता आपले हे तू, तुम्ही आणि एक आहे आपण. सर आपण सगळ्यांपेक्षा मस्त आहे का नाही मिस सुप्रिया?
सर समटाइम मैंने देखा है मे के साथ बी का भी यूज होता है.
हाँ वो मे भी अलग है. उसका मतलब होता है शायद.
ओके.
मे बी शायद वो अलग चीज है. मे बी वो एक अलग ही वर्ड है मे बी. ओके. सो
Okay,
पॉइंट
sir.
नंबर 1 इज व्हाट वी आर यूजिंग मे फॉर possibility and permission. Any doubts to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Possibility and certainty are same.
Pardon?
Possibility and certainty are one and the same.
I didn't get you. Can you please repeat once again?
Possibility and certainty.
Possibility and certainty. The difference between both of them, right? Are you asking the difference between possibility and
Yes.
certainty?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now please pay attention. Possibility and certainty. What's the difference between possibility and certainty? Nothing. Both are the same. Certainty and possibility both are the same. Now let me tell you one more thing. Certainty is a little bit powerful than possibility. How? How? Because certainty is what? Certainty is what? When something is completely sure. And possibility, it is like 50%. Are you getting the point?
Yes,
Certainty
sir.
is what? Like, it is what? Completely sure. And possibility means what? It is like 50%. ऐसा possible है. It may rain. And certainly it will rain means what? होने ही वाला है. पक्का होने वाला है. Okay? So certainty is like 90% we can say, and possibility is like 50%. हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. Like this. Okay, ma'am?
Sir, but when we can say, as like you said, the Ramesh may come tomorrow.
See.
तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं ना कि रमेश कैन कम टुमारो, तो
हाँ.
कम कैन का यूज मतलब ज्यादा पॉसिबिलिटी होती है ना कैन यूज करे तो.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. ऐसा परसेंटेज नहीं उधर कि that we are going to use their can for more possible things. Nothing is like that. See, if you see here, for possibility we can use a can and could and may as well as might. So both are the same, but it is just the way of saying something that it is more powerful than can. What? That's may. So Ramesh may come tomorrow. We can say like this. Ramesh may come tomorrow. It is also okay. And Ramesh can come tomorrow. It is also correct. There are no problems. And see, if you just want to make it more powerful, that he must come, so you're going to use a must. अभी जैसे मैंने use भी किया देखो already example में, he must come tomorrow. So Ramesh must come tomorrow means what? उसको कल आना ही पड़ेगा, ऐसा हो जाएगा meaning उसका. It is what? For obligation. ये भी हमारा आने वाला है. Now next one, if you see there, certainty दिख रहा है आपको? मैंने अभी बोला था certainty is really what? Powerful than possibility. Yes or no? मैंने अभी बोला
Yes,
आप
sir.
लोगों को. It is there. Certainty. So certainty is powerful than possibility. Pay attention. This is what? Possibility. And this is certainty. Okay? Certainty is powerful than possibility. अब certainty के लिए अंदर देखो कौन कौन आ रहा है. ये तीनों भी एक साथ में आ रहे हैं. क्या लगता है उसके लिए? Ought to, have to, should and must. दिख रहा है? दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Now, pay
Yes, sir.
attention. अब जैसे कि मैडम ने बोला, Ramesh may come tomorrow. ये इतना पावरफुल नहीं है, but Ramesh should come tomorrow. ये ज्यादा पावरफुल है. Ramesh को कल आना ही चाहिए. Why? It is really what? Powerful, क्योंकि कल मैं बहुत ज्यादा important topic पढ़ाने वाला हूँ. See, it is a sentence of certainty.
Certainty.
Getting it, Miss Supriya? So,
लेकिन सर वो सर्टेनिटी अलग है ना, मतलब उसके मस्ट शुड वो हैव
correct,
टू वाले
correct,
सेंटेंस.
correct. उसमें can नहीं आएगा. Certainty में can use होता नहीं. Can we can use only for ability, possibility and permission only. Certainty में can कभी नहीं आएगा. वहाँ पे क्या use करना पड़ेगा अपने को? Must. ये मैं चीज सुप्रिया मैडम को बता रहा था. Are you getting that, Miss Supriya? So,
Yes, sir.
can we can't use for certainty. Why? Because it is like 50%. Are you getting the point? It can rain today and Ramesh can come tomorrow. It is like 50%. And certainty का sentence रहेगा तो?
Must come to.
Correct. It is like 90% and we are going to use their must. Ramesh must come
Means
tomorrow.
can, could or may one are the same.
Yeah. See, it is only in one line. Can, could, may, might, same. Can, could, may, might, same. And may and might. What's the difference between may and might? Both are the
Same.
Same.
same. जैसे can and could. What's the difference between can and could? Both are the
Same.
Same.
correct. But the difference between can and could is what? Point number one, could is much more powerful than
Powerful than can.
Can.
Very good. Same case. Could we can use for present tense, past tense,
And
future tense.
future.
All the three tenses. Same case. May and might both are the same. But we can use might for present,
Past, present, future.
past and future. And second thing, might is what? Used in old English. Might is used in old English. Now let me tell you one more thing. आप लोगों ने कभी सुना है मैं यूज करता हूँ might कभी बहुत ज्यादा?
Yes,
से ज्यादा
sir.
मैं might यूज करता हूँ. If you see, अगर आप पुराने लेक्चर्स कभी देखेंगे जो मैंने आप लोगों को लिंक सेंड किया हूँ, लेक्चर्स में कभी ध्यान देना जब मैं बात करता हूँ स्टोरीज वगैरह बोलता हूँ ना, you will find there I do not use their may, I do not use their can, I use their mostly could and might, क्योंकि might जो सबका बाप है, वो एकदम टॉप लेवल वाला है, एकदम इज्जत वाली लैंग्वेज में यूज करते हैं अपन might. He might be there, मैं ऐसे बोलता हूँ देखो, it might be happening, it might be there, it might happen, it might go there. So might use करता हूँ, may use नहीं करता मैं. Actually पाप ने ये यूज नहीं करना, कर सकते बट और अच्छे लेवल से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अबे तू किधर जा रहा है, ऐसे बोलने से अच्छा आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. दोनों में मजा किस में आ रहा है?
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
करेक्ट, सेकंड वाले में आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी इंग्लिश के अंदर फंडा क्या है. वैसे मैंने डिजाइन भारी बनाया ना, देखो क्लियर. So by the way, might is what powerful than may. Any doubts?
Sir,
No, sir.
Yes, yes.
but might means may or may not. As we can say, the might it happen or not. Might it be happen.
It might
मतलब
be
ये भी हो
happen.
सकता है. हाँ.
हाँ, correct. It might happen or it mightn't happen.
Might and. Okay.
Correct. जैसे अपन बोलते हैं ना, कैन का कांच होता है. कांच क्या है? शॉर्ट फॉर्म है कैन नॉट का, राइट?
Yes.
वैसे माइट नॉट का शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है?
Might.
माइटंट. एन अपॉस्ट्रोफी टी आएगा उधर. माइटंट. ओके,
Okay.
गुड. So you'll come to know easily. आज अपना थर्ड लेक्चर है. So this let me just have it here. So statement question negative. So when do we use may? For possibility and permission. Same case. अभी मैंने आप लोगों को already पढ़ा भी दिया है. Might. What's the difference between may and might? Both are the
Same.
correct. May and might both are the same. आप लोग को याद रहेगा ये. ऐसा नहीं लिखता हूँ मैं इसको, अलग स्टाइल. जिंदगी भर भूलेंगे नहीं फिर आप लोग. May and might both are the same. Now when do we use might? Same. For possibility and permission. For example, it may rain. उसकी जगह पे अपन क्या बोल सकते हैं? It
Might.
might rain. Correct. It may rain or it might rain. Next one. She may join next month, next week, or she
He might.
Might.
might join next week. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Ramiz may come tomorrow, or
Ramiz might.
Ramiz might
Come
come tomorrow. Next one. India may win the match, or
India might win the match.
correct. India might win the match. Next one. Now. यहाँ तक तो ठीक था, अच्छा भी लग रहा था. कभी ऐसे सुना है क्या? Might I come in?
No, sir.
सुनने में नॉनसेंस लग रहा है ना. एक्चुअली नॉनसेंस नहीं है वो. इट इज वेरी 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 ओल्ड इंग्लिश दैट पीपल आर नॉट यूजिंग नाउ. आज के जमाने में लोग यूज ही नहीं करते उसको. दैट्स व्हाई इट बिकेम वेरी ओल्ड इंग्लिश. नाउ पे अटेंशन. मैंने यहाँ पे देखो दिया भी हूँ. शेक्सपियर के जमाने में माइट इज ओल्ड फैशन. पीपल यूज्ड टू से माइट आई बोरो योर बुक. बहुत ही प्यार से. अभी देखो फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी जैसे कि जय को मेरा बुक चाहिए, तो जय ऐसा बात करेंगे, ओए बुक दे तेरी. तो मैं जय को बुक दूंगा क्या?
No, sir.
नहीं, बुक तो नहीं दूंगा, बट बुक के जरूर दूंगा फिर जय को, है कि नहीं? तो वहां पे जय को बुक नहीं मिलने वाली, ऐसा बोलेंगे. तो वहां पे अगर अपने को बुक चाहिए, जय कैसे लेते बुक सामने वाले से? ये देना देना,
आपकी बुक दे दीजिए.
ए देना प्लीज, ए प्लीज देना. शेफ कैसा? ए देना, आधा आधा, थोड़ा 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 देना प्लीज. तो वहां पे मांगना पड़ेगा. तो मांगना है तो मतलब एकदम प्यार से मांगना है. तो सबसे टॉप लेवल का वर्ड कौन सा है इसमें?
Might.
Might.
करेक्ट. परमिशन अगर अपने को किसी का मांगना है, सॉरी, परमिशन के अंदर सबसे टॉप लेवल का है माइट. न कैन, न कुड, न मे, सबका बाप है माइट. तो वो माइट अपन यूज करेंगे. माइट आई बोरो योर बुक. सो माइट आई बोरो ए बुक, इट इज व्हाट? एब्सोल्युटली ओल्ड फैशन. बोल सकते गलत नहीं है, गलत नहीं है, बोल सकते, बट इट इज व्हाट? वेरी ओल्ड फैशन. ओके, नाउ सो वी कैन जस्ट से नाउ माइट आई कम इन. We can say might I come in or might I leave. आज के जमाने में बोलते नहीं, बातें का लगे, पर ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. Next, might you introduce yourself? It depends on you. So generally we don't say like this, but still we are using the may in this present time. Now let me tell you one more thing. English कुछ सालों के बाद में हो सकता है चेंज भी हो जाएगा. जो मैं आज आप लोग को पढ़ा रहा हूँ, जरूरी नहीं है कि 20 साल के बाद में सेम इंग्लिश रहेगा. कुछ रूल्स वगैरह चेंज हो सकते हैं इंग्लिश के. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
अभी से 15-20 साल के बाद में हो सकता है इंग्लिश के कुछ रूल्स वगैरह चेंज हो जाएंगे. सो डोंट थिंक दैट इट विल बी द सेम. एनी डाउट्स?
No.
नाउ चलो बिना टाइम पास के अपन नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस बनाते हैं. नाउ सेंटेंसेस विद आई प्लस मे. सॉरी, I may cajole him. Question.
May I?
Correct.
May I cajole
May
him?
I cajole him. Negative. I may not का क्या हो जाएगा?
May not.
Mains. Mains. I meant cajole him. काजल की बहन कजोल. So I may cajole him. Question. May I cajole him? Negative. I meant. May not का क्या हो जाएगा? Meant. I meant cajole him. Getting it? For example, she may rescue me. Question. May she rescue me? And negative. She meant rescue me. Is that clear?
So what is the
Yes,
meaning
sir.
of rescue and cajole?
What do you mean by rescue? See, इसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ जैसे मैं यूज करता हूँ ना हाई लेवल के वर्ड्स इधर क्वेश्चंस में नेगेटिव्स में सॉरी स्टेटमेंट्स वगैरह के अंदर सेंटेंसेस में आप लोग भी ऐसे वर्ब्स को याद करो. What do you mean by cajole? कन्विंस करना, मनाना. ओके, मनाना, कन्विंस करना, एनकरेज करना, मोटिवेट करना, उसको अपन बोलेंगे कचोल. And what do you mean by rescue? आयशा मैम रेस्क्यू, सना मैम रेस्क्यू.
बचाना.
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 वेरी गुड, बचाना. ओके, तो अपन बोलते हैं ना मेरी मम्मा मेरे को बचाएगी. शी मे रेस्क्यू मी. मे शी रेस्क्यू मी. शी मेंट रेस्क्यू मी. वो मेरे को बचाएंगी बचाएगी नहीं, कुत्ते के अंदर तोड़ेंगे पकड़ के डैड के हाथ से. यस. एनी डाउट्स टू एनीवन?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
एनी क्वेश्चंस?
No.
Good. Now, without wasting your time, without wasting my time, I want you to make sentences with I. I may I meant. Jaldi, jaldi, और भी जल्दी.
I
फटाफट.
may
I
help
may
you.
sit with
May
you.
So we
I
have
help you?
May I sit with
I
you?
meant
I
help you.
meant sit with you.
very good. Pay attention. We have done today 2 modal auxiliary verbs. What are those? We have done today 2. What are those?
May or
May.
might.
May,
May
might.
might.
अरे बाप रे, इतनी देर से आंसर दे रहे हैं. What a shame. May and might. जल्दी जल्दी. आज अपना 2 modal auxiliary हुआ है. Okay? May and might both are the same and very easy. I want you to make sentences now one by one. Faster. Chalo. Without wasting my time, without wasting your time. Make sentence with I may. Take these words and make sentence with I may. Jaldi.
I may adopt. May I adopt? I meant adopt.
Very good.
I may approve. May I approve? I might mean approve.
Maint approve. Very good. Next. Next.
I may
might
adore.
अगर
I may
might
adore.
देखना
May
है,
I adore?
फक्त
I meant adore.
very good. I may
I may call you. May I call you? I meant call you.
very good. Next.
I may connect. May I connect? I might connect.
I meant connect.
Meant.
Next. Jaldi.
I may advance. May I advance? I meant advance.
Good. Next.
I may consider. May I consider? I meant consider.
Yes. Next.
I may answer. May I answer? I meant answer.
I may
Next.
affirm. May I affirm? I meant affirm.
I meant affirm. Next.
I may distribute. May I distribute? I meant distribute.
Very good.
I may agree. May I agree? I meant agree.
I meant agree. Next.
I may practice. May I practice? I meant.
I may compensate. May I compensate? I meant compensate.
Compensate. Very good. Next.
I may have dinner. May I have dinner? I meant have dinner.
Very good.
I may
Next.
allow. May I allow? I meant allow.
Very good. Next.
I may declare.
I may commit.
declare.
May I commit? May I meant commit.
Next.
I may invite. May I invite? I meant invite.
Next.
I may alter. May I alter? I meant alter.
I meant alter. Next.
I may defeat. May I defeat? I meant defeat.
Defeat.
I may protect. May I protect? I meant protect.
Protects. Very good. Next.
I may annoy. May I annoy? I meant annoy.
Declare. May I declare? I meant declare.
Annoy. Declare. Next.
I may
may
go
answer, may
home. May
answer.
I go home? I meant go home.
Very good. Next.
I may answer. May I answer? May I meant answer.
Very good.
I may agree. May I agree? I meant agree.
Very good.
I may adopt. May I adopt? I meant adopt.
Adopt. Next. He may, she may. Faster. Sentences with he may, she may.
He may blow the candles.
May
May he
he
blow the candles. He meant blow candles.
blow the candles.
Blow the candles.
Very good. Next.
He may
He
apologize.
may
May he
calculate.
apologize. He meant apologize.
Apologize. Next.
He may calculate. May she calculate? She meant calculate.
Good.
He may appear. May he appear. He meant appear.
Mayn't appear. Next.
He
She
may
may
commit.
punish.
May he commit? He meant commit.
Next.
She may punish. May she punish. She meant punish.
She means punish. Very good. Next.
She may apply. May she apply. She meant apply.
Very good. Next.
He may collect. May she collect? She meant collect.
Very good. Next. He may,
She
she
may
may.
appoint.
May
She
she.
may appoint. May she appoint. She meant appoint.
Yes, ma'am. Aisha, ma'am.
She
He may
may
notice.
borrow. May she borrow? She meant borrow.
Next.
He may notice.
He may.
May he notice. He meant notice.
Very good. Next.
He may
He
approve. May
may
he
complete.
approve. He meant approve.
Very good. Next.
He may complete. May she complete? She meant complete.
Very good. Next.
She may connect. May she connect. She meant connect.
Very good. Next.
She may compensate. May she compensate? She meant compensate.
Compensate.
He may apologize. He may apologize. May he apologize? He meant apologize.
Good. Apologize.
She may consider. May she consider. She meant consider.
Means consider. Very good. She may consider. May she consider. She means consider. Next.
She may neglect. May she neglect. She meant neglect.
Next.
She may go home. May she go home. She meant go home.
Next.
He may consult. May he consult. He meant consult.
Next.
He may call. May she call? She meant call.
Very good. Next.
He may
He may
defect. May he
decline.
defect.
May he decline? He meant decline.
Decline. Next.
He
may
may
defect.
borrow
May he
your
defect.
book. May he borrow your book. He meant borrow your book.
Very good. Take new verbs and make sentences. Take new verbs and make sentences.
She may cry. May she cry. She meant cry.
Next.
She may ask you a question. May she ask you a question. She meant ask you a question.
Next.
He may
He may
consume.
demand. May he demand? He meant demand.
Next.
He may consume. May he consume. He meant consume.
Next.
She may regret. May she regret. She meant regret.
Very good. Next.
He may control. May she control? She meant control.
Very good. Next.
She may
cook. May
deserve
she
it.
cook.
May she deserve it. She meant deserve it.
Very good. Deserve it. She may
She may
deserve. May
cook.
she deserve. She may deserve.
She may
Next.
cook. May she cook. She meant cook.
Cook. Next.
He
She
may
may respect.
encourage.
May she
May she
respect.
encourage?
She meant
She
respect.
meant encourage.
Encourage. Sana ma'am.
She may respect. May she respect. She meant respect.
Very good. Respect. Next.
She may direct message you. May she direct message you. She meant direct message you.
Good. Next.
He
Make
may
sentence with
discuss.
it may. It may.
It may corrupt. It may corrupt. May it corrupt. It
Means
meant
corrupt.
corrupt.
Very
Meant corrupt.
nice. Very nice.
It may deserve. May it deserve? It may deserve.
Very good. Next.
It may prepare. May it prepare. It may prepare.
It means prepare. Next.
It may die. May it die? It meant die.
Very good. Next.
It may delay. May it delay. It meant delay.
Good. Next.
It may
It
cry.
may
May
cry.
it cry. It meant cry.
Very good. Next.
It may deliver. May it deliver. It meant deliver.
Very good. Deliver. Next.
It may continue. May it continue? It meant continue.
Very good. Next.
It may depart, may it depart, it meant depart.
Depart. Very good.
It
Next.
may move, may it move, it may move.
Very good. Next.
It may differ, may it differ, it might
Differ.
meant
Differ. It may differ, may it differ, it may differ. It may achieve, may it achieve. Shoaib, only first form, my dear. Only first form, not the third form. It may achieve, may it achieve, it may achieve. Aisha ma'am, make sentences.
It may cry, may it cry, it can't, it may
Mayn't.
mayn't cry.
Rajo,
May.
where are you?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
It
Arey,
may rain,
you,
may
yes
it
sir.
rain, it mayn't rain.
Next.
It may enjoy, may it enjoy, it may enjoy.
Enjoy. Very good. Next.
It may control, may it control, it meant control.
Mayn't control. Next.
It
It
may
may
assist,
empty,
may it
may it empty,
assist,
it
it
meant
may
empty.
assist.
Empty. Very good. Next. Empher. Yes ma'am.
It may assist, may it assist, it may assist.
Very good. Assist. Next.
It may cover,
It-
may it cover, it meant cover.
Very good. Cover. Next.
It may corrupt, may it corrupt, it meant corrupt.
Next.
It may count, may it count, it meant count.
Count. Very good. Next.
It may digest, may it digest, it meant digest.
Very good. Digest. Next.
It may desert, may it desert, it meant desert.
Very good. Desert. Okay. Make sentences with you may.
You may create, may you create, you meant create.
Create. Next.
You may die, may you die,
Die. Die.
die, may you die, you meant die.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. तू नहीं मर सकता जय. तू नहीं मर सकता अर्जुन.
बिना
करण.
इंग्लिश सीखे नहीं मर सकता सर.
वो अपने बॉलीवुड का डायलॉग याद है क्या? तू नहीं मर सकता मेरे दोस्त, मैं तुझे छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगा दोस्त.
Yes, sir.
करण तू नहीं मर सकता करण मेरे बिना. अभी साथ में लेके जाता उसको. अंसार तू नहीं मर सकता. जय तू मुझे छोड़ के नहीं जा सकता. अरे बाप रे. Sentences you may accomplish, may you accomplish, you meant
You may
accomplish. Next.
You may convert, may you convert, you meant convert.
Good. Next.
You may invite, may you invite, you meant invite.
Good. Next.
You may demand, may you demand, you meant demand.
Very good.
You may earn, may you earn, you meant earn.
Earn. Very good. Next.
You may disagree, may you disagree, you meant disagree.
Very good. Disagree. Next.
You may disappear, may you disappear, you meant disappear.
Very good. Disappear. Next.
You may
may
desire,
apply for the job, may you apply for the job, you meant apply for the job.
Very good.
You may desire, may you desire, you meant desire.
Desire. Very good. You may
Sir,
desire.
what do you
may
mean by
desire.
enlarge?
मोटा करने, बड़ा करना. Enlarge. Next. Yes. You may help, may you help, you mayn't help.
You may rely,
You may enter, may you
May you
enter,
rely.
you meant.
you meant rely.
Very good. Relieve.
Realize,
You may, correct. Realize.
yeah.
Okay. You may realize, may you realize, you mayn't realize. Next.
You may create, may you create, you meant create.
Very good. Next.
You may buy a new car, may you buy a new car, you meant buy a new car.
Send your
Very good.
Sir,
Yes, madam.
Send
Repeat once again.
endeavor.
What do you mean by endeavor?
ENDEAVOUR. कोशिश
What do you mean by
करना.
endeavor? Pardon?
It's a color name.
Pardon?
कोशिश करना.
क्या बोल रहे हैं आप लोग आवाज? हाँ, correct. Endeavor. कोशिश करना. रजा?
कोशिश करना.
And color name.
Envy,
हाँ, right. कोशिश करना.
sir,
Envy,
envy का
jealousy.
मतलब क्या है? और उसके नीचे
Jealousy, jealousy.
उसके नीचे क्या है उसका?
Air.
Air.
What do you mean by air?
ERR.
What do you mean by air? What do you mean by air? Mistake. Mistake करना. Error. Mistake करना.
अच्छा
कोशिश करना. Endeavor. And what do you mean by endure? Endure का मतलब क्या होता है? छोड़ देना. इंग्लिश में प्रोवर्ब है. What can't be cured must be endured. What can't be cured must be endured. जो हील नहीं हो सकता है, जो क्योर नहीं हो सकता है, उसको छोड़ देना चाहिए. What can't be cured must be endured. जो
Sir, Levi
नहीं
is
मानता है उसको छोड़ डालने का. D Y
Levi
E
is
die. हाँ, so D Y E die ना. कहाँ लिखा हुआ है?
ऊपर
D
गाय के नीचे.
Y E. Right? Die. कलर डाई वगैरह करते हैं, मालूम है क्या? डाई. कलर
Yes,
वगैरह
sir.
करना.
And immigrate.
इमिग्रेट मतलब छोड़ के दूसरी जगह जाना. माइग्रेशन सुना है आपने? माइग्रेशन.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That migration is called immigration. Same. सेटल होना दूसरी जगह पर जाकर. Okay, make sentences with we may.
You may buy something. May you buy something? You meant anything. Buy anything.
Wow, you meant buy anything. Very nice sentence. You may actualize. May you actualize? You meant actualize. You may acquit. May you acquit? You meant acquit. Yes, jaldi adi. You may contain. May you contain. You meant contain. You may desire. May you desire. You meant desire. You may enlarge. May you enlarge. You meant enlarge. You may cover. May you cover. You meant cover. You may deny. May you deny. You meant deny. You may demand. May you demand. You meant demand. You may conduct. May you conduct. You meant conduct. You may copy. May you copy. You meant copy. You may control. May you control. You meant control. Continue.
You may think
enjoy,
your
may you
exam.
enjoy,
May
Continue.
you
you
meant
think your
enjoy.
exam. You meant think your exam.
Very good. Think about your exam. Next.
You
You
may
may
enter, may you
deserve.
enter,
May
you
you
meant
deserve.
enter.
You meant deserve.
Very good. Deserve. Next.
You may desire. May you desire. You meant desire.
You may join the classes. May you join the classes. You meant join the classes.
Very good. Next.
We will produce, may we produce, may will produce.
Good. Next.
You may
You may
earn, may
stumble.
you
May you
earn,
stumble. You
you
may
meant
stumble.
earn.
You may earn. May you earn. You meant earn. Next.
You may
may
study tonight. May you study tonight. You meant study tonight.
Very good. Next.
You may encourage. May
You may
encourage.
follow me. May you follow me. You meant follow me.
Meant follow me. Next.
You may drop, may you drop, you meant drop.
Next sentence with we may. We may.
We may
We may.
cook. May we cook. We meant cook.
Correct. Yes.
We may cross, may we cross, we meant cross.
Good. Next. Make sentences with these words. New words.
We may explain. May we explain. We meant explain.
Explain. Good. We may dismiss. May we dismiss. We meant dismiss. We may extinguish. May we extinguish. We meant extinguish. We may imagine. May we imagine. We meant imagine. We may ill-treat. May we ill-treat. We meant ill-treat. Yes.
We may improve. May we improve. We meant improve.
Very good.
We may hire, may we hire, we meant hire.
Very good. Next.
We
You
may
may fill. May we fill. You may fill.
We meant fill. Next. We may.
We may jump. May we jump. We meant jump.
Good.
We may
We
kill.
may.
Kill. We meant kill.
Next.
We may discover, may we discover, we may discover.
Discover. Next.
We may improve, may we improve, we meant improve.
We
We
may
may
damage
Improve.
your car. May we damage your car. We may damage your car.
Very good. Next.
We may hop, may we hop. We may hop.
Hope.
We may illuminate, may we illuminate, we meant illuminate.
We may discover
Very good.
something.
Next.
May we discover something. We may discover anything.
Very good.
We may explain,
Next.
may we explain, we may explain.
Very good.
We may
We may
imitate, may we imitate.
We
may
may
imitate.
imitate. Next.
We may
we
fill,
may exit, may we exit, we may exit.
We
Very
may
good.
laugh. May we laugh. We meant laugh.
Next.
we may fill, may we fill, we meant fill.
Next.
We may had, may we had, we meant have.
Have.
Had.
Hate. Hate, right?
Yes, sir.
We may hate, may we hate, we meant hate. Next.
We may disagree,
anger.
may we disagree, we meant disagree.
Very good. Next. Next.
We may disgust, may we disgust, we meant disgust.
We meant disgust. Next.
We may
We may-
angrophobia. May we angrophobia. We meant angrophobia.
We may be angrophobia, may we be angrophobia, we meant be angrophobia. We may have angrophobia, may we have angrophobia, we meant have angrophobia. Angrophobia is noun. And for that we need to put there be. Yes, continue. We may adumbrate, may we adumbrate, we meant adumbrate.
We may
We
face.
may,
May
yes,
we face. We meant face.
good. Next, we may
We may-
nosedive, may we nosedive, we meant nosedive. We may illuminate, may
We
we
may join.
illuminate, we meant illuminate. Yes,
We may join. May we join. We meant join.
very good. Next,
So illuminate.
illuminate मतलब यानी किसी चीज के ऊपर रोशनी डालना. अपन बोलते हैं ना, कोई बात के ऊपर अपन डिस्कस करना, illuminates. Okay, they may. Can you please give me good sentences with they may?
They may exchange, may they exchange, they meant exchange.
Exchange. Very good. Next.
They may dance. May they dance. They meant dance.
Next.
They may improve. May they improve. They may improve.
Improve. Very good. Next.
They may hate. May they hate. They meant hate.
Very good. Next.
They may kill, may they kill, they meant kill.
They
Good.
may dance. May they dance. They meant dance.
Good.
They
They
may
may
air.
help. May
May
they
they
help.
air.
They
They
meant.
may air.
Good. Next.
They may
They may
exchange.
explain you. May they explain you. They meant explain you.
Good. Next.
They may join, may they join, they meant join.
Next.
They may issue. May they issue. They meant issue.
Issue. Next.
They may kick, may they kick, they meant kick.
Very good. Kick.
They may
They-
feel. May they feel. They meant feel.
Yes. Aisha ma'am, Sana ma'am, make sentences. Raza, make sentences.
They may hesitate, may they hesitate, they meant hesitate.
Hesitate. Next.
They may kill. May they kill. They meant kill.
Very good. Next.
They may facilitate. May they facilitate. They meant facilitate.
Very good. Next.
They may leak. May they leak. They meant leak.
Very good. They may flunk, may they flunk, they meant flunk. Next.
They may extinguish. May they extinguish. They meant extinguish.
Very good.
They may fail. May they fail. They meant fail.
Fail. ओके महक मैडम ने मुझे कल भी एक क्वेश्चन किया था, आज वापस किया है. सर आपको किसने पढ़ाया? मुझे एक मेरे टीचर थे, उन्होंने पढ़ाया था. वो बॉम्बे में थे पर मेरे टीचर वो. तो मैं जब वहाँ पे गया था सबसे पहले मैंने इंग्लिश उनके पास में सीखा था, and he used to teach only to the professionals at that time. But on the request of my uncles, he admitted me in his class, and especially he's not the English teacher, but he is the trainer of corporate world. He used to train only the corporate people from the company, so he taught me there. Then on his reference only, then I joined classes here nearby Wadia College, where I learned. Then I learned accent from Azim sir. So it has been long journey for me for learning English. And grammar मैंने खुद से सीखा है by Cambridge. ब्रिटिश काउंसिल का वेबसाइट है, देखो कैम्ब्रिज का, उसके ऊपर ऑनलाइन चैटिंग होती है प्रोफेसर्स की, ऑनलाइन वहाँ पे ट्यूटर्स रहते हैं फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड ओनली, उस पर अपन पैसे भर सकते हैं और वहाँ से सीख सकते हैं। उन लोग की मैंने ऑनलाइन मैंने ग्रामर वहाँ से सीखा है फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश काउंसिल। Okay, so any doubts to anyone with me?
No, sir.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, so we are going to stop here today and we are going to have this tomorrow on time. Okay, we are going to continue tomorrow. Might please don't be absent. Maybe we are going to start a new topic tomorrow. Don't be absent. All right, if you have any questions,
sir.
any doubts, you can ask me tomorrow. Cheerio. And see,
Cheerio.
today is what, 30th June. Please pay the fee. बोलने लगाना नहीं है. Tomorrow is what, a new month. Please pay the last installment of yours. Okay, next installment pay कर दो अपना जल्दी जल्दी. We'll see you tomorrow on time. Please pay the installment. Okay. Cheerio.
Okay, sir. Cheerio.
Bye bye.